Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy cryptocurrency using the Coinbase app. First, download the Coinbase app from your device's app store. Next, create your account and complete the necessary identity verification steps. This usually involves providing some personal information and uploading a photo of your ID. Finally, link a payment method, such as a bank account or a debit card, to fund your purchases. This setup is quick and secure. Once your account is set up, it's time to add funds. On the Coinbase app's home screen, simply tap the Add Cash button. You can then choose your preferred payment method, like a linked bank account or debit card, and enter the amount you wish to deposit. Review the details carefully, then confirm the transaction. Your funds should appear in your Coinbase wallet, ready for your first purchase, usually within moments. Now for the exciting part. Buying cryptocurrency. Tap the Buy button, which is typically located at the bottom of your screen. Select the specific cryptocurrency you want to acquire, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Enter the amount you wish to spend in your local currency. Before finalizing, carefully review all the order details, including any associated fees. Once you are satisfied, confirm your purchase. Congratulations! Your cryptocurrency purchase is now complete. The newly acquired digital asset will appear in your Coinbase portfolio almost instantly. You can easily monitor your investments and track their performance directly within the app. For added peace of mind, consider enabling two-factor authentication for your account. This extra layer of security helps protect your assets and personal information, ensuring a safer experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.